In this video, I'll be showing you how to order samples from quotes that you're most interested in. To get started, you go to the quote of the product you'd like to get a sample for. Hit Get Samples, and you'll get this pop-up that breaks down the sample information. If everything looks good in the description, you just hit the Add to Sample Bag button. If you'd like to change anything or have any questions, hit the Comment button. It'll take you to the product messaging system, and you can ask your questions or let us know of any changes you want made. Add as many samples as you'd like to a sample bag by repeating the steps above. We'll gather them all at our office in China and ship them out together to help you save on shipping. Then, all you have to do is go to your sample bag and check out. We'll update you with a tracking number when they're shipped, and you can track your samples in the Sample Orders tab.